Ever wondered how to become a millionaire by 30? It starts with a mindset. Yes, you heard it right. The millionaire mindset is not just about dreaming of a seven-figure bank balance, it's about framing your thoughts, decisions, and actions around wealth creation. Think of it as a game of chess. You can't win by merely moving the pieces. You need a strategy, foresight, and the courage to make bold moves. Similarly, to amass that coveted million, you need to be disciplined, savvy, and ready to take calculated risks. Starting early is a key advantage. When you're young, you have the luxury of time and the freedom to focus on wealth generation before family responsibilities kick in. You have the flexibility to take risks, to fail, and to learn from those failures. It's the perfect time to lay the foundation of your millionaire journey. So gear up, because this journey is not for the faint-hearted. It requires grit, determination, and a burning desire to succeed. But remember, it all begins with the right mindset. Once you've got that down, the rest will follow. Remember, it's all about the mindset. Now, let's dive into the practical steps. Saving and investing, they're not just buzzwords, they're your ticket to the Millionaire Club. Let's break it down. Disciplined saving is your first step. Think of it as your safety net, the foundation upon which your wealth is built. It's not about depriving yourself of every little luxury, but about making conscious decisions on where your money goes. Next, savvy investing. This is where your money starts working for you. It's not about overnight riches, but the steady growth of your wealth over time. You've got to be in it for the long haul. And remember, the key here is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread them across various investment avenues. Now let's talk about appreciating assets. These are the gems that add value over time. Could be a property, stocks, or even a business. The idea is to own things that'll increase in value, giving you a greater return on your investment. Lastly, following a financial plan. This is your roadmap to riches. It helps you stay focused, make informed decisions, and keep track of your financial progress. In short, build your wealth by saving diligently and investing wisely. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: risk. Leaping into the world of finance is not unlike jumping out of an airplane. It's thrilling, but there's a decent chance of a rough landing if you're not prepared. That's where calculated risks come into play. You see, becoming a millionaire isn't about avoiding risk altogether, but about understanding it, managing it, and using it to your advantage. Think of it as playing a game of chess. Sometimes you need to sacrifice a pawn to capture the queen. This is where youth comes in. When you're young, you have time on your side. You can afford to take a few knocks, learn from your mistakes, and bounce back stronger. It's the perfect time to be daring, to take those calculated risks that can catapult you towards your financial goals. Remember, the greatest opportunities often come from taking risks. The likes of Warren Buffett and Elon Musk didn't build their empires by playing it safe. They took calculated risks, they stumbled and they learned and they grew. So don't shy away from risks. Embrace them, but always remember they should be calculated. Becoming a millionaire by 30 isn't a walk in the park. It requires perseverance. It's like climbing a steep mountain, where the summit often seems out of reach. But let me tell you a story. There was a person who dreamt of reaching that summit, the millionaire status, by their late 20s. Not an easy feat, you'd agree, but they weren't afraid of the hard work. They knew the path to success was paved with sweat and late nights. Their journey was tough, filled with obstacles and setbacks. But they had a secret weapon: perseverance. They refused to give up, no matter how many times they stumbled. They pushed through, learning from their mistakes, and kept moving forward. And let's not forget the importance of a supportive family, their cheerleaders, their rock. They provided the emotional support, the encouragement that kept our hero going during the most challenging times. This journey, this relentless pursuit of a dream, is a testament to the power of perseverance. The road to achieving financial success is never easy. It's filled with hurdles and roadblocks. But it's those who keep going, who never give up despite the challenges, who ultimately reach the summit. It's a tough journey, but remember, perseverance is key. And that, folks, is a glimpse into the journey of becoming a millionaire by 30. We've covered the millionaire mindset, the art of disciplined saving and savvy investing, the importance of calculated risk-taking, and the undeniable power of perseverance. It's a journey, not a sprint, but with these tools, you're well equipped to start your race. Now, if you found value in this video, there's plenty more where that came from. I invite you to check out our channel, Spark of Insight. We're all about unearthing those nuggets of wisdom that light up the path to success. So why not join our community? Go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with someone who might need a spark of insight too. Before we go, here's a question for you. What's the first step you're going to take towards your millionaire journey? Drop your answers in the comments below. And remember, every millionaire journey starts with a single step. Until next time, keep sparking those insights.